The USB-C laptop docking station, dual monitor HDMI, is a powerful all-in-one solution designed to transform a single USB-C port into a fully equipped workstation. With its 14-in-1 design, this multi-port adapter makes it easy to connect multiple peripherals, external displays, and accessories to Dell, Lenovo, HP, and other compatible USB-C laptops. It is especially useful for professionals and home office users who want a clean, efficient setup without constantly plugging and unplugging devices. One of the standout features of this docking station is its dual HDMI output, which supports crisp 4K resolution. This allows users to extend or mirror their display across two external monitors, significantly boosting productivity for multitasking, data analysis, editing, or content creation. Video output is sharp and stable, delivering smooth visuals for everyday work and media consumption. The docking station handles multiple displays with ease, making it ideal for modern multi-monitor workflows. Beyond display support, the hub offers a wide range of connectivity options. Multiple USB ports allow you to connect keyboards, mice, external drives, printers, and other accessories at the same time. Data transfer feels fast and reliable, ensuring efficient file management and smooth daily use. The USB-C power delivery feature allows you to charge your laptop while using the dock, eliminating the need for a separate charger and keeping your workspace organized. Build quality is solid and dependable, with a compact yet durable design that fits neatly on a desk or in a laptop bag for travel. Heat management is well balanced, even when multiple ports are in use, and the dock remains stable during extended sessions. Setup is straightforward with true plug-and-play functionality, requiring no additional drivers for most systems. Overall, the USB-C laptop docking station dual monitor HDMI delivers excellent versatility, strong performance, and wide compatibility in a single compact device. It is an ideal upgrade for anyone looking to expand their laptop's capabilities, streamline their workspace, and enjoy the convenience of dual 4K displays and comprehensive connectivity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.